Know your numbers, get moving, and visit your doctor annually. That's the mantra of the African American Male Wellness Walk and Run happening next weekend. The goal is to raise awareness about preventable health disease. Carlton Weddington is joining us now. He's here to talk about what's happening on the 21st.
Yes.
But before we talk about that, first of all, welcome. Thank you for stopping by.
Thank you, Wayne.
Let's just delve into the question, and it's the age-old question. Why do African American men not go to the doctor?
Well, you know, it's kind of a macho thing. You know, we don't feel that going to the doctor shows our strength. And it's always been where it's last minute. We wait till the last minute to go to the doctor.
And sometimes when you wait till the last minute,
hey, it's too late.
Yeah.
And so we encourage African American men and their families to know their numbers, as you mentioned, to go see the doctor on a regular basis, and to stay active. And that's what the African American Male Wellness 5K Walk and Run that's coming up on the 21st is about.
what are some of the diseases that we're most susceptible to as black men?
Cancer, specifically diabetes, lung, heart, vascular, high blood pressure, cholesterol. These are the things that are preventable, but they tend to affect us disproportionately. And so that's why we're encouraging African American men to go to the doctor, to be active, to know their numbers, because we're trying to close the health disparities gap.
Talk about the events that are going to take place on the 21st of this month.
Sure. We start at 7 a.m. with screenings. We're going to screen men for height, weight, BMI, glucose, cholesterol, diabetes, prostate. We'll have HIV, STI testing. We'll also have a mobile unit for kids. Those are the going back to school. We will have a 5K walk and run, which is 3.18 miles.
Okay.
We're going to go from the church.
From the church, which is located on Kinsman.
Kinsman, yes. It is Zion Hill Baptist Church, Pastor Jimmy Gates.
Yeah.
We're going to walk at 8:30. And those who would like to run, they can run.
No, and no admission.
No
everything's free?
admission, no registration. We try to relieve all barriers for everybody to participate. It's welcome. We welcome all and everybody. So our honorary chair, Larice Purnell, he is going to begin the walk with our runners and walkers at 8:30. And then we're going to come back and go through more testing, those men who did not get a chance to test early. And then we have informational vendors.
In the past, how successful has this been as far as getting men tested, prompting men to do what they need to do health-wise?
You know, it can be a challenge at times because, as we talked earlier, men don't want to go to the doctor. They feel it as if it's a sign of weakness. And quite frankly, it isn't. Okay. It's a sign of understanding and recognizing that when they're healthy, they can provide for their families, they can be good, positive citizens in the community. So.
Real quickly, talk about some of the other services offered.
Sure. We also have other wraparound services, mental health in the form of Real Men, Real Talk. We do a fatherhood initiative, Cooking with Dads. We do financial wellness, which is self-explanatory. And we also mentor young men and women. Ultimately, with all of that data that we compile, we do a research project that we return to the community as a report. So we know the best way to serve that community, serve those men and their families. And it's been very effective.
Well, excellent. Again, in case you're interested, and I think you should be, it's the 5K walk. It's going to be next Sunday, August 21st. It begins with, once again, the free health screenings at 7 o'clock in the morning, the Zion Hill Missionary Baptist Church on Kinsman Road. And then after that, all kind of activities throughout the day.
Sure.
And the key is just keeping men healthy. That's the bottom line.
Most definitely.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Wayne.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
And here's a towel for you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
I love the colors, by the way.
Yes.
I love the colors. Thank you, sir.
The African American Male Wellness Agency.
I love it.
Thank you,
sir.
Sure.
Appreciate it.